Did my whole intro with the microphone off. What is up, you guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. I feel a little bit weird because I literally just did my intro and I forgot to turn the microphone on. But I just made some coffee. We're about to make some breakfast. It's going to be like some poached eggs and some tomato sauce. Well, actually, it's just the leftover ragu spaghetti from the other night. But anyways, so we're going to do that, and I have to edit, well actually, so day 15 literally just went live. I have to edit day 16 and day 17 and then eventually this one. So we have kind of a busy, boring day ahead of us, but doing the snow, yeah, kind of got me behind, along with the fact that my editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro, shout out to you, suck, but you keep crashing. So yeah. But let's just make some breakfast. For tonight, we are making a spicy maple chicken with mashed sweet potatoes and roasted green beans. Ooh. For this, we need fry seasoning, which is just paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. And then you need a half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. And you need some real maple syrup, roughly about 2 tablespoons, depending on how much you like maple syrup. And 2 tablespoons of sour cream. What is all over that? If your sour cream is dirty, make sure you wash it, I guess. Oh no, okay, so I don't think I'm going to be using the sour cream. Good thing I do have sour cream. That's the only kind of bad part about getting like these meals and stuff. It probably just got opened during shipping or something, because it's literally, you could just see like the seal is just, but that's okay. And then you need some chili flakes, some green beans, roughly about 6 ounces, 2 sweet potatoes, oh, that's it. And of course, chicken. For this, we are going to be using 12 ounces of chicken breast. Alright, so we are going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees, and then we are going to peel and dice our sweet potatoes into about a 1/2 inch pieces. And then we're going to place the sweet potatoes into a medium pot with salted water, enough to cover the potatoes, roughly about like 2 inches. Gonna bring that to a boil and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are tender. And next we are going to pour the maple syrup into a small bowl while stirring in a pinch of salt and a little bit of chili flakes depending on how much you like. So add chili flakes to your liking. Once your potatoes are tender, you're going to drain it and return the potatoes to the pan. And then off the heat, you're going to mash the potatoes with half of the sour cream, a tablespoon of butter, salt, and pepper. Since these are sweet potatoes, if you prefer a more sweeter sweet potato like mash, add a little bit of sugar to it. While the potatoes are cooking though, we're going to place a tablespoon of butter in a medium, wow, I have no microwave. Okay, we're going to place a tablespoon of butter onto the stove in a small little pan and melt it. And then we're going to stir in the panko, the fry seasoning, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Then next we're going to pat the chicken dry with the paper towels and season that all over with salt and pepper. Lightly oil a baking sheet, and then you're going to evenly spread the remaining sour cream on top of the chicken. Mound the chicken then with the panko mixture. And then we're going to roast the chicken on the middle rack for about 8 minutes. And after that, we're going, while that chicken is cooking, we're going to toss the green beans in a small bowl with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Once the chicken has roasted for about 8 minutes, we're going to add the green beans to the empty side of the baking sheet. And we're going to roast that for about 12 to 15 more minutes. And once your chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165, it is done. You can go ahead and divide the sweet potatoes, chicken, and green beans on the plate. Drizzle it with the spicy maple syrup. And if you want it extra spicy, go ahead and sprinkle some more chili flakes on there.
You can set them. I got you. These are all the date contracts. 24th, 31st.
He's so into his stocks, he doesn't even know that dinner's done.
You can get up to January 2023.
Damn. 20 what? Alright, that's gonna wrap up this Vlogmas day 18? Yeah, I think it's the 18th. I'm so behind. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you missed any of the other Vlogmases, because I did, go or you want to binge watch any of my other content, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in my next Vlogmas. Bye!